because I'm not interested in that particular
You see,
concept.
I'm not,
actually
when you discuss,
sorry, we having a,
no, it's right.
I'll let you go back to yours.
Whenever you discuss a particular issue,
Okay, let you go back to this discussion.
if you,
Yeah, it's all kind of intertwined, isn't it?
yeah. But if you say I'm not interested in X and Y and Z, I mean, this is not actually a good enough way of dealing with the issue. I could say I'm not interested.
It's getting to the specific issue
No,
and
I'm
trying
not-
to
if I
understand
said-
the root cause behind it, which is why I'm giving you the floor to answer that question.
I'm saying to understand the root cause of things is to go to the very fundamentals of the core principles of a particular religion. So if, for example, you're talking about Sharia, obviously you're talking about Islam.
It's
So
correct.
in Islam, do we have any evidence that the belief originates from our God?
The
It's a
same
question
exists
to
under
ask.
Christianity too. So
Yeah, but you're not discussing Christianity, are
Yes,
you?
that's right.
Right. So when
Not
so
today.
you should really discuss this issue. Do you have any evidence that this is indeed coming from the Creator? Because if the Creator says, for example, nice to your brother, be smiling to your brother, and that becomes a part of worship, you might question why is smiling a worship? You can question anything, and this is true. Smiling to your brother, fellow brother or a sister, is considered to be part of worship in Islam. But if you then question why is it, then you can question anything. So before you start questioning X, Y, and Z, we are witnessing this. There are certain things within the law, any legal system, whether it's this country, whether an Islamic country, where you might disagree with it because of your own perception of the reality and morality, isn't it?
yes, that's correct.
Right. So we need to discuss the sources of morality and which morality we should one follow. Because if we don't have a standard, then we can't really somehow say this is wrong or this is right and this is justifiable, this is not justifiable. So what are the sources of morality?
So I think it's innate. I think consciousness gives you your moral compass. That's where you basically
So is it the same for everyone?
derive all of your values from.
Is it the same for everyone then?
No, I think that some people are brought up in particular. I was brought up a Christian, and so I was brought up to believe in the Ten Commandments and the Bible and all those things. I chose to reject that. I became educated and I didn't believe that it was the Word of God.
So it's not
So-
your conscience, it's from something else.
Yeah, I believe it's innate. I believe that I was able
If it's
to
innate-
develop.
If it's innate, how does it change?
Because I had ideas and concepts imposed upon me and I wasn't mature enough to really understand them. So the more I learnt, the more I studied, the more I observed the world and had experience.
Do you call that
then I
innate,
cha-
or is this something
Then I grew.
called?
I actually probably grew through experience.
Is this acquired knowledge or is this innate? Because you're defining or explaining an
I
acquired
don't
knowledge.
think it's external, I think it's internal when I say innate. So I think
If
it
it's
comes
ex-
from within.
No, if it's internal, it should be the same for everyone. But the fact that you can come out of whatever you think it is, you had one state of morality once, and then you have developed yourself through your learning to something else. Where is the innateness coming in here?
Because it comes from within. It's natural progression. There's an influence from externalities, but the actual moral compass comes from within. It doesn't come from
So
external.
you're saying-
So for instance, no, let me finish.
Go ahead.
So it doesn't come from the Ten Commandments. It doesn't come from the Bible, the Torah, or the Quran. It comes from my own experience, so from within. So
Let
that's
me-
how I define.
Let me try to
my own
understand
moral
this issue.
compass.
You see, taking drugs, recreational drugs, is it good or bad? According to standards of morality that you think is innate.
I don't care. Like
I
I
didn't ask
personally
you
don't
what-
have a view. I don't have a view.
The question is not about whether you care or
I
not.
think-
The question is
I think it's up to the
to
individual.
understand whether some things are innate or not. So when it comes to issues of using recreational drug for fun or for happiness, whatever that might be, if it comes from if the right or wrongness comes from innate disposition, right? Then we should be able to understand that. It's not good enough just to say I don't care. I mean, you might not care, but we need to understand where it's coming from.
But how does this go back to my initial question?
Yeah.
I actually want to talk about the initial.
Source of
like, I understand
morality.
we've talked about where
Source of morality.
my personal morality came from. I want to talk about where your sense of morality comes from now, and just understand, because my understanding is it's from a set of rules. It comes from Sharia, Hadith, and Quran are probably the key texts that inspire and define your morality. So under Sharia, what is the punishment for
but-
sodomy? And because I'm asking that because I'm a sodomite, so I'm curious to understand
Sure, of course.
what the
Anything
punishment is.
that affects you, you'll work trying to
Correct. So this is
understand.
this is where I'm really.
But I'm
curious to
saying,
understand.
just having an answer. For example, Islam doesn't punish anyone for their homosexual tendencies or
No, but
any
for the
tendencies.
act, for the act of sodomy, what is the punishment under
If
Sharia?
if there is a punishment for the acts done in public, explicit acts in public sphere, there is a punishment.
Right, what is
Clearly.
that punishment?
No, it's not about what the punishment is. What I'm
It's
trying to
about what the
understand,
punishment
what
is.
I'm
That's
trying
my
to understand,
specific question.
listen, what I'm trying to understand is
you
this.
have to obey whatever the religion says before coming onto that point. Why are you, without even considering what it tells before that, going to that point?
Because I want to actually work
First
out whether.
come and
what I-
consider the
what I'm-
other, like the 10 Commandments, and in Islam.
But what I want to know is
first
what is the
do
commandment
what comes.
first. Let's start. What
See,
is the
see, see.
commandment? Then I want to understand what the fundamentals
Let's-
under that is. 'Cause
No,
I
no,
don't
we're
know,
not-
have I got it right or am I wrong?
You're discussing, for example, let's start with very basics. Homosexual actions, is it good or bad? According to the standards of morality which you think is innate.
Good.
Why is it good?
Because I think it's natural.
No, no. It's, there are a lot of
I
things
think it's
which are,
natural,
for
just
example,
like heterosexuality. It's fine.
okay,
It's natural.
some people naturally
Animals
have the
have
tendency to kill people. There are a lot of people who have this natural desire to kill people. It's good according to your argument.
But is that ethical?
Listen, we cannot shift
No,
the
I'll tell-
goal
yeah, I
of
can answer that question.
our
I think
standards.
that killing people is actually impinging on someone else's liberty. Homosexuality, heterosexuality doesn't actually harm.
In your opinion,
Yeah, absolutely
right?
not.
But
Whereas-
I disagree with your
whereas
opinion.
murder
For example,
harms someone and it's not
There are
voluntary.
sex
It's
slaves.
involuntary control and
Do you
the
think-
taking of someone's
Okay,
life.
let's
That's not voluntary and it's harmful.
so now we're shifting our goals to.
Homosexuality is not.
Okay, let's understand that. We're shifting our goals now to, what makes something right, something good, or something wrong or evil. So you said it's to do with if it doesn't impinge on people's safety, it doesn't impinge on people's liberty and so on, right? You're coming up with this kind of understanding. If you, do you have a father?
I do have a father.
So if you sleep with your father in a homosexual act, is that wrong morally?
Is it wrong morally?
With consenting, of
If we
course.
both consent. No, I don't think it is wrong.
So
No,
it's not wrong.
under my particular
Yeah. So in your particular,
value system,
in your
I don't
particular,
think- would I do that? No. If you
it's
chose
not about
to
you're
sleep
doing
with
it
your
or
father,
not.
I
It's not
wouldn't
about
care. It's
no.
none of my business.
It's not about care. or not. We need to understand
I
what
don't
makes something.
care.
Okay, fine. So it's not
So
going to be
long
wrong.
as so long as
Okay.
it's not harmful.
So
to
if
anyone.
you have a son sleeping with his mother, two consenting individuals, it's still okay according to your standards.
No, I don't. To my standard, I personally don't think that's
No, no.
okay for me.
We want to know whether it's
But I don't-
okay according to your
I'm
standards
not
of
into
morality.
that. Well, I'm not into that.
I'm
I
asking
don't find
about-
that. I don't find that that's something that I'd want to do.
It's not about what you want.
that's our-
According to your
I don't
standards
find
of
that-
morality, is it okay, is it good if they're two consenting adults, like a father and a daughter, or a son or a mother, and if they want to have an intimate relationship, according to your standards of morality, is there anything wrong with it?
If they're of the age of consent,
Mm-hmm.
then no, they can do what they like. I personally don't. I wouldn't be into that, but under my standards of morality, that's exactly what my position would be, I suppose.
So there's nothing wrong with that, right?
Well, I personally wouldn't do it, no. But
Now,
I'm
you
not-
ask about your
I don't
personal-
believe. I don't believe
You
that
see-
the punishment for doing that would be.
No, we're not discussing whether you like it yourself or not. We are discussing the
I'm a
standards of morality.
libertarian, so I can't impinge on what people do.
Sorry?
I'm a libertarian, so I can't impinge on what people do. So I personally don't think it's.
What does it mean you're
A
libertarian?
libertarian means that I don't believe that I can impinge on other people's rights and liberties.
Right. So that means everyone has their own views and it's okay.
Provided it doesn't harm people.
Yeah, yeah. So if, for example, you live in a society, in this society, can you do whatever you want to choose to do?
No.
The society.
There are laws and regulations.
So basically, the country infringes on your liberty.
Yes, but I also
Right.
have a
Is
say.
there anywhere in this
I
world-
also have a say in those people that are making those decisions as well.
But
through
still,
democracy.
you haven't able to change.
and those
whatever-
and those laws change over time as well, whereas the texts don't change.
Yeah, but what you are saying now, you're libertarian, and yet you have been enslaved in a system which you're constantly trying to change to your own wishes and whims.
That's right, because
Right.
we change. It's called
Right.
progress. So
Right.
things evolve. Going back to what you mentioned
Right.
about my innate moral compass and how that's changed since I was a child.
That's not innate.
That's the same.
That's if you're acquired. You're acquiring
no, but it
new
comes from
information.
within, or my internally acquired moral compass.
No, it's the
That changes
society,
over time.
the
Just like
environment.
society changes over
No,
time.
no, it's the society, your environment, your learning, your some kind of perception of things. They are modifying and modeling your behavior. That's what it is. It's not innate. This is something your learned behavior.
It's not just
If
learned.
if it's innate,
Because you
why
and
does
I
it?
have a very different perception. We've been brought, we're living in the UK, we've got the same externalities influencing us, but
So
we have
now-
very different points of view and perspectives.
So now you have your view, and let's say I have my view, right? So if I want my view, that everyone should have their own views, how is society going to function?
Well, that's
everyone has
we're
their
a
own view.
democracy, so everyone has an opinion, everyone has a vote.
No,
The
they don't agree. That's the problem.
They do.
If you have everyone have their,
consensus. There's consensus on some items, and then there's a
so
vote
you're
and
okay
a
with
majority.
that. So you're okay with that. So if the majority of the Muslims decide in an Islamic country the punishment for homosexual is this, it's okay.
No, I don't believe that.
You
But-
just argued for that, and
No,
now
but it
you're going
conflicts-
against your own argument.
It conflicts
You need to be
against my moral-
consistent.
It conflicts against my moral
No,
compass.
no, but you need to be consistent. Though. You need to be consistent in your standards and your argumentation. You just provide an argument. Democracy is okay. It's okay. If a lot of people, or the majority, decide together, whatever they want to decide, it's okay.
To kill
You said-
people. So like the
Oh,
Nazis killed the Jews.
so you don't agree with it then?
No, I don't agree with that.
Right. So it's not about a lot of people then. Okay. So how would we, if everyone have their own views, everyone is libertarian, where we want to decide whatever is good for us or individually, how is society going to function? How are we going to live in a society?
Because we've got a majority that make the rules.
So now you're
And
saying
my issue
majority
is around
makes
the
the
rules
rule.
that are made. Because if the majority of people
How does
hold
the
a-
majority make
if
the rule?
Can I finish? If the majority of people hold a particular view, and talking specifically to sodomy, which is what we were talking about at the start of the conversation, I was trying to understand why, under Sharia, the punishment for homosexuality is death. That's what I was trying to
Because
understand.
Sharia considers to be this is a public crime if it's done in a public area.
Right.
You consider
So in
because
this
you need to
country-
differentiate. You need to differentiate between homosexual tendencies. Like people have tendencies to, have relationship with a tree. You can have tendencies to anything. Islam does not punish you for having these tendencies. Islam says you need to control. For example, people have tendencies to sleep with young children, pedophiles.
Yes.
Right. Do you consider these tendencies is okay to have?
No, because the child's non-consenting. They're too young to
So,
consent.
so now the discussion
believe
goes.
that's okay.
You see now how the discussion moves. The
No, but you see,
discussion,
you're actually, what you're doing.
your
at the
sense of
moment is
morality
no,
moves from
I'm actually talking
rather
about,
than innate behavior
No, I
and
develop my-
tendencies and desires to whether person is a consenting adult.
No, but I have the intelligence and the life experience to make my own decisions about what I believe and what is right, whereas a lot of people
you
have that
think-
particular moral compass imposed upon them, and it's inflexible and it's unable to define itself and grow and change. There's no progress in Ten Commandments.
So your
all
moral
these books.
compasses that you talk about.
Yeah, well, it's
clearly-
not just mine. It's most people who live in a democracy,
No, no.
liberal democracy.
But you don't believe in democracy.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you believe in democracy?
No, I do believe in democracy. So, for instance, in those countries where they execute
Okay,
people,
let's understand one thing.
that is the law. But I don't believe that overrides my moral compass.
No, I want to understand one thing. Do you believe in a system of democracy?
Yes, I do.
Right. So if people within the democratic system decide to do something, you will have to be okay with it, right?
No, I might not agree with it because it might be against my own moral compass.
So it's nothing to do with democracy then. It's to do with as long as your moral conscience are catered for, your own desires are catered for, then any system, be it dictatorship, socialism, capitalism, liberty,
Yeah,
it's
whatever.
fine.
Or Sharia. Yeah.
Or
whatever.
Sharia.
So
right.
if that was what
so
my moral
basically,
compass was, it would be
so
fine.
basically, the way you live your life is your own desires. You make your desire your own God. This is
That's
what the Quran
right,
says.
Because I don't believe in
Certain
the afterlife.
people, yeah.
I don't believe
So-
in it, and this is where look. I understand that this life is just a blink of the eye for a lot of people, and that the afterlife is what they're setting themselves up for. I don't believe that. I believe that this is the life, and that there isn't an afterlife. So therefore, we come from completely different perspectives, and that I respect that. But it goes back to that. I don't think we're ever going to actually agree.
Okay. What created
Because I have a
everything?
completely different.
What,
moral
according to your
compass
moral
you.
compass,
So
what
I'm
created
perceived
everything?
as immoral by you, and I find you authoritative based on your.
Is it all right to have sex with animal?
You know, they can't consent. But anyway, I've got to get my mother back to
If
the
they make
hotel.
consent. If it's
What I was
adult-
going to discuss is
But
this.
thank you.
If it's adult
Okay.
animal, it's okay.
No, I don't think it's okay. If we're going to start talking about sex with animals, I think I might scoot off. But thank you very much. It was nice to have a conversation.
Take care.